Friday night. I just sat down to dinner. I made my plate and I'm waiting on Jeff, and I'm waiting and I'm waiting, and I step out the door and I find him. So you got everything already done?
No, not everything, but all of them inside of where the house goes.
And it's Friday night.
It's Friday night. But I have to say, you know, worried about trees falling, you know, during a storm. The oaks are the ones to worry about because they just pushed right over. I mean, they're simple. I got just the right size tractor.
Okay.
Yeah. It needed to be that big because I would have been there hours with the little one, just hours. But the problem is it's still very, very muddy. Like I got stuck.
Wow.
So it's super muddy. I mean, it's kind of hard to get stuck with a bucket. You can always get yourself out, but I mean, how long was I out there? Hour and 20 minutes. I bet I got six stumps out.
Yeah.
I got the biggest ones out. The biggest ones are out.
Wow. And then the track came off.
It is not going easy. It's really heavy. That guy had a mini. This is a 18,000 pounder.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't even pick that track up.
Oh, really?
No.
Wow. What you doing?
All right, I'm 2 hours in now.
Okay. 2 hours into your 10?
Yeah.
Far out.
But I've got all the stumps out that are in the house except for this one right here. And it's not in the house.
Right.
It's just right on the outside.
Yeah.
So that
driveway.
one's number one.
Yep.
And this one. And
Okay.
then this one over here, I'm going to do it next. It's on the corner.
Oh, yeah, I want that gone.
And then I'm going to do this one over here in the driveway.
All right. What about the ditch?
The ditch and the grubbing tomorrow, just give it one more day of drying out. So today we'll just continue on with all the stumps. And then, so that one, and then we're good for the house. We just got to get the roots and stuff out, which we could actually rent a tractor to do that if we can't get it because it's too wet. But
Beautiful day. Real thankful for that.
This tells the story. I got an air-conditioned cab and I opened all the windows and turned it off. So
that does tell the story.
all right,
Funny.
Let's dig up this big one over here. See how long it takes.
All right. How do you feel rockin' dockin'?
It took 17 minutes.
Really? Felt like an hour.
I know. I don't know what to do with all those stumps, but, you know.
We'll figure it out.
They're out of the way. They're out of the way of the house.
Right. That is. Come out here and see what Jeff's been doing. I see a tree down. Looks like he might have done the push it over method.
Dug a hole and pushed it over.
What do you think about it compared to digging all around it?
I think the probability of getting hurt's a lot higher. No, it was okay, but you know, you got a 50-foot tree and you're 6 feet off the ground, so you sure don't want it to come back on you. But it went really well. It was just the first time I ever did it, so I was a little nervous, but it went real good.
All right, well, I'll let you get on with your rat killing.
All right, I'll be in for lunch.
Okay.
Love you too.
Love you. Honey, what are you up to? I was gonna come and
I'm clearing the front.
I love it. I'm not mad at it. What are your thoughts?
But there's some other trees I'd like to take out. A couple of cedars over there.
Oh, I want along that tree line?
Yeah, so
Yeah, I want to.
hang out and I'll be right back and you tell me what you want going.
Sounds great.
How far do you want me to clear this way? I think we ought to stop
All the
where
way
we're
to
at.
the corner?
Anyway, this little stuff right here, that cedar I was going to take down. Another little tree right here to the left of the pine. A couple of little oaks here.
And then it started raining again.
Well, what did you think when you saw it?
Yeah, it looks great. I love it.
Open.
So the plan is that we're going to dig the ditch out a little bit because it starts to flatten out here in the center and the water tends to run onto the property when we have several inches at one time, which does happen. We're also going to put it up on the side of the bank to make like a berm.